Today I'm going to be making applesauce strudel. So first I'm going to make it out of pie crust, and the pie crust recipe is in a different video on my YouTube channel. You can make that recipe or make your own, or you can buy a crust, and you'll need enough to fill a cookie sheet. I already pressed it out. You need 2 cups of applesauce. You need 2 eggs. You need a half a cup of brown sugar and a teaspoon of cinnamon, and then 3 tablespoons of just regular all-purpose flour. Okay, and then we're going to just mix all this together. Till it's nice and incorporated. Once you get the apple mixture mixed all together, then we're going to put it on our pie crust. Just spread it out like that. You just want it level on there. You don't want it too much because you don't want it leaking out the sides. So now we're going to roll it up. Just like they do streusel. You're going to have a lot of the filling left over, so you can make 3 or 4 of these if you like, or you can just cut down on the recipe and just make 1. Once you get about that far, then you want to come this way to seal it. Always tuck in the sides. Then we're going to roll it with the parchment paper so the seam is down on the pan. Then we're going to bake this for 40 minutes, and then we'll check it on 375 for 40 minutes. Our applesauce streusel just came out of the oven. I cut it in half. That's how it looks like. That's what it looks like on the inside. Hope you like my recipe for applesauce strudel. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more easy recipes. Till next time. Bonus recipe: I took Jiffy pie crust mix and just sprinkled it on the bottom of a pie pan. It had non-stick cooking spray on the bottom. Took the filling that I put in the apple strudel and then put the other half of the pie crust, just sprinkled it on top, and made applesauce pie. You just cook it on 350 for 45 minutes and you have applesauce pie.